All right, so welcome to another brand new episode of Live FX Trading
Hello,
with your host,
hello.
Healing Mindset. Ooh, we got Mandish here. All right, so welcome to another brand new episode, guys. Welcome another brand new episode.
So
This
it's
is
going. Oh
how
shit.
was going?
Getting called. Just give me a sec.
How's it going? So this is a beautiful Monday morning here. Looks like pound yen has dropped so heavily. I mean, it was expected of us for pound yen to drop down. In our group, we actually did a analysis where we saw potentials for downside movement, and this weekly candle has actually copied the actually followed some of the characteristics from the previous weekly close candle. Look at the weekly candle, right? So it rejected the top with its wick, close a confident bearish candle. The next weekly candle just bearish all the way down, moved like this bearish candle alone moved all the way down in about 120 pips in pound yen. That was amazing. Around Asian session, it was moving so nice and smooth. So it was beautiful. To be honest, very beautiful. Oh, this is what we're gonna do. Dun, 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 dun. Up to terminal, getting myself ready, and this. All right, so we're gonna do a
It
couple.
was a lovely day today. Observed.
I know, it was a beautiful day, right? I actually saw. Yeah,
Did
I should have taken a sell around Asian session. I couldn't catch it.
you didn't?
No, I couldn't catch a sell around Asian session. No, it
Mm,
was beautiful. So if I have to break down the chart again from daily, look at the daily candle. Look at the previous daily candle. Look at the wick on the top, guys. The rejection on the top, the liquidity grab on the top is something to note down. Candle closed bearish. The next candle made a top wick. This current daily candle just pushed down. It's a Monday candle, but guess what? The momentum carried on today's uh, market. So the momentum from Friday did carry on. There's no doubt, right? So again, look at this. Let's look at the 4-hour candle. If you look at the 4-hour time frame right now, obviously we have broken this 4-hour support area. This was the target for Asian session, and we have achieved it, and we have smashed all the targets. That's what happens. This is something we've been talking about forever. The prices in pound yen gold moves up in stairs and drops down in an elevator. Now it's dropping down in an elevator. No one's stopping it. The candles have moved down 120 pips as we talked about already, and there's still room on the downside. So from the current price all the way down to 149,360, it's in about 60 pips. So my bias will be a sell. All I need to see a resistance. So what I'm going to do is I'll head down to the 2-hour time frame. And on 2-hour time frame, what I can see is I can see early rejection points such as this. I see I see 119 to be a rejection point. But 2-hour candle has 15 more minutes left for its close and looks like it can actually close bearish here. Now I have to head down to hourly time frame. And on an hourly time frame, I can clearly see a retracement. I would love to see a retracement more deeper than anything else because the prices have pushed down significantly. So if I have to look for resistance, 30-minute candle, I mean, this is making a resistance right here. Uh, really apparent resistance, but the price action is rangy here. Pretty rangy. So anything below, let's see, 149.80, dun dun dun. Near the left hand side traffic just to see how the rejections are playing around. Bum bum bum. All right. Actually, I'm gonna 8:35. Actually, let's make it 8:30. 8:30. Nice. All right. So at this point in time, if I'm looking for sells, I mean, a candle close below this support area could be nice on a 30-minute at least. The candle starts closing below the support area. There's a higher chance prices could continue down, and I'll be looking for only 10 to 12 pips out of the market because it has fallen down significantly already. I would rather be looking for market correction than anything else. But if a candle, a 30-minute or even a 15-minute candle closes bearish below this support area, I might look for sales. Alrighty. Time. Yep. Okay. 9, 8, 30. Below 149, 30. T180. Okay. Let's look at buying scenario. Buying scenario not look because it's actually doing a retest, right? So apparent it's a retest of this broken support on a 2-hour. Looks like on even on an hourly a retest of this previously broken support area. So this support area has been broken and looks like it's being retested. If that is being retested already, where is the market going to push? More than likely on the downside. The bias is a sell. Simple bias. Bias is a sell bias. Let me play some music for the YouTube guys here. All right. And hang on a second. Alrighty. Just give me a second and all right. And all right, so we are back again one more time. All right, so dun. All right, so pound and yen right now has dropped significantly. So if I'm actually looking for correction, I'll be looking for buys of a 150, 180. But for now, the bias is a sell below 149.830. Clear sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to keep an alert around here. A simple alert so that I know what's happening, right? Let me actually erase every alert in my terminal. All right. Good. And done, done. Place an alert that I know what's happening. And we're gonna do this. Alrighty, and so let's look at gold and see what's happening in gold, right? So, because gold has been pretty well, moving pretty well too. So let's look at the candles from a daily sort of a perspective, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove every single drawing here and start fresh. All right, so it's very apparent on a daily sort of a perspective, we actually broke this daily support, and the retail sales and every other fundamental news event happening side by side actually managed to push gold all the way down, right? So it, ooh, just give me a second, all right, and yep, so we actually broke the support at this point in time. Looks like there is a daily support around here, and the most recent price action from the bottom was a demand area sort of a reaction from where gold actually pushed up significantly, right? So at this point in time, if you look at the most recent daily candles, it broke this daily support. Looks like it can actually do a potential retest around here. If it's actually doing a potential retest, or if it's actually retracing before moving down from a weekly sort of a perspective, this is more than likely another rejection area right here. This is a weekly support area that the price actually managed to close below, right? So what I'm going to do is, if I'm looking for a sell, I might see rejections around here, and that could be my early sign. But on a daily sort of a time frame, there's a support here. Price is rejecting the bottom, moving up clearly. And on a 4-hour sort of a time frame, I can actually adjust my levels now. If I have to adjust my levels to the most recent traffic to the left hand side, this could be an early rejection point. And on a 4-hour sort of a time frame, I can actually take this all the way up here. And let's go to 2-hour time frame. Well, 2-hour time frame, this candle is about to close in the next 6 minutes. It's going to be interesting how it's going to close after all. And yeah, we actually managed to close above this resistance, and we just started pushing up. Beautiful. So this was like in about 3 hours ago. In about 3 hours ago, gold buys were making sense. Gold buys were making sense right then around London session. Whoever took a buy above 1754.60 was that was the trade, man. That was definitely the trade. So if my bias is a buy, I'll be looking for a potential retest. If my bias is a sell, I would want to see some sort of resistance and candle closing below 1754.60, so that the candles could actually continue down back in this range, right? But if I'm looking for buys, I'll be looking for some sort of support. And for support, what I know is candles may retest this level right here. Simply. Potential retest area. Very clear. So from the current price, in about 22 pips away, this target, if that is a target, let's see.
Anas,
Hello.
thinking about a sell, gold sells.
Yeah, I'm actually thinking about a gold sell too.
Yeah, selling to the point. I'm selling until the low.
Or from here.
Yeah, to the low.
Dun, 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 dun. That actually kind of makes sense. But this will be this will be only one bearish candle in the most recent daily's candles movement, you know. So looking at all this green candle, one bearish candle. I mean, if this candle closes bearish, maybe it could be an aggressive entry point. Could be an aggressive entry point, to be honest.
If this 2-hourly managed to close bearish, would be a good idea, I guess.
Let's look at the left-hand side traffic. Traffic left. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait and see. Let's wait. Wait a little bit more. Because I think gold is going to move up, to be honest. Buys and sells both look good, right? Because sales look very apparent on a high time frame. But the most recent price action telling me the wicks on the candles are telling me it's pushing up. It's rejecting the bottom, rejecting the bottom, rejecting the bottom, moving up, moving up. So for buys, all I need to see is price respecting either 1754.60 or respecting 1756.80 sort of area. For sales, this is going to be a very aggressive entry, to be honest. Very aggressive. How was your day, Mandish? How was your day? Good?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. GJ blessed me today.
Beautiful. Yeah, this was expected, you know. We talked about this in our group, right?
Mm-hmm.
We actually let me see if I can pull that up. That up. All right, so if you guys really want to see, this was an analysis sent in our group, right? So 7th September, really rangy market, waiting for the downside move on the later half of the month for the September.
All right, hey guys, what's up? So pound yen analysis, 7th of September. So the monthly candle right now is still bullish. Looks bullish, but I mean, we are in the first few days of the monthly candle, and as we talked about, I mean, we can see a lot of bullish action before the market could actually push down, right? So we are still waiting. I mean, yeah, we will see how the last half of the monthly candle is going to perform. I'm still waiting for the bearish sort of a pound September. So we'll see what's going to happen. Obviously, this Tuesday and Thursday we have MPC members talking about
were you trading
monetary
during London
policy,
session?
and on Thursday we
No,
have the
this
monetary
London,
policy
I wasn't
report
even looking at it.
released. So that's going to be a major impact.
Oh,
But guess what?
we
I'm
were
actually starting
here.
to notice exhaustion on the candles.
Did you
So
guys
what sort of
take
exhaustion
trades?
am I seeing? So you can see the
Yeah.
gaps on the weekly sort of a time frame. And if this weekly gap was to be a continuation gap, so the candles should be pushing up, right? So we are already half.
That was beautiful. Oh, all right. So I can see your charts on London. Alrighty. September. This is the chart from months of. Yeah, I think pound yen's gonna push down even harder. That's what I think. Pound yen is gonna push even harder. Looks like most have had a gold buy, or I had a second scale in, and beautiful. So the way the hourly candle closed in pound yen with all this liquidity grab, or I would say a rejection on the top, it's only showing signs to push down, right? So anything below 149.830 does look clear, because there's a clear range on the left hand side, and that's what we anticipate. We anticipate price to move smooth through clear range, right? Now at this point in time, a resistance on a lower time frame has been clearly formed, 30 minutes especially. This 30-minute candle closed bearish, showing chances with wick on the downside, showing more chances of continuing down. Yep. Pum pum pum. Hour.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
I missed GA shells.
A GA move.
50 pips. 50, 56 pips.
Yep. Oh, true. I was actually looking at this too. Not shocked. Not shocked. I was looking at it.
Yeah, I executed on GJ and yeah, GA missed.
46 pip.
I was thinking about selling at the second bearish candle at the break of the low of first bearish candle there.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was hoping for a retest to pull up to go bullish. I thought I would get 10 pips, but market went down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if I was taking a sell, I would actually take a sell from here. Maybe 1893.20 from around there. Actually, not there, sorry. A confident sell below 1892.85 from here.
Okay.
40 pips, man. Oh man. I think the second half of September is gonna be amazing moves, to be honest. Gonna be amazing moves.
There's not much volume.
Yeah. Gold has a lot of volume. So pound AUD has more volume than gold today. Pound AUD has more volume. All right, so the previous gold 30-minute candle closed with no wick on the bottom, showing us more signs. Of so closed with no wick at the bottom, showing us signs that, hey, maybe the candles do not have a lot of range on the downside to move to, or there is a clear resistance. So all I need to see is, for a proper buying opportunity, I need to see a retest around here, a proper support. If I see a support, I'm going to scale into buys, but we will see. We will see if the candles are going to close below 1754.60, or is it going to close above? All right, on YouTube, Okbiondra Akar says, DJ will push up after down manipulation in this hourly candle. Looks like gold when rejected F7 at 1742. All right, so somebody's talking about manipulation here. That could be the case, man. I don't think this is manipulation, to be honest. If you look at the weekly candle, you see what's happening. Previous weekly candle, I'm not even kidding. Asian sessions on the later half of the month are the best Asian session ever. If you don't know this, note this down. If you're ever planning to trade Asian sessions on the later half of the month are the best, right? Because all of the volume has been accumulated throughout the first half, and the second half moves smooth. So that's what happened. Previous weekly candle closed bearish with a rejection from the top, and the current weekly candle, that's the Monday's candle, even if the yen was closed, the price is pushed all the way down. So that's the beauty of Asian session on the later half of the month, especially when the candles close with strong, I would say, strong rejections from the top and showing us further bias. So this weekly candle just followed everything. Just followed the characteristics from the previous week and just pushed down. Was beautiful, to be honest. All right, so we got BJ in the house. Mr. BJ. Mr. BJ is a little bit shy on the mics here. That's all right. To be honest, London session was a clear buy, you know, gold buy. Whoever took a gold buy from around 1755, 50 pips move. 50 pips. So how many pips did you secure, Mandish? You got to send me the chart.
Gold?
No.
I will look at Asian session. I've sent a gold chart there.
Uh-huh.
I took sales actually. In gold.
Aha. Beautiful. How the candle close with below the support. Dun, dun, dun. 30-minute candle close bullish with below the broken support. Consecutive 30-minute candle close bearish. Inverted hammer. Okay, he's looking at the pattern as well. Tapped previous broken support. Dun, dun, dun. Beautiful. So you took a sell somewhere around here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, but we did not take the buys.
You didn't take the buy.
Yeah, we didn't took the buys because we took GJ sales today. Focused on GJ.
Yep, focused on GJ. Man, it was beautiful. 40, 50 pips move, you know, it's just beautiful. Beautiful.
I haven't still journal my GJ trade because it was so quick. I took it at 4-hourly low, breaking the 4-hourly low. GJ.
4 candles. Oh.
Yep, right there.
Oh man, that was a good entry. Yeah, anything below, I would say 155.65 or even around here. Amazing trade. You worked it out. Wow.
Yeah.
just one single candle push down. It was expected, you know. Obviously, whoever knew this was happening, whoever did their analysis long back ago and was waiting for it, definitely caught it.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to show you guys something really interesting. Look at the power of triangle. Power of the triangle. 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 Look at the power of triangle here. Look at the power of triangle. Yep. 149,
Hello,
365. Ooh, hello. How are you, Sabine? How are you?
Very good, and yourself?
Good, very good. All right, so on YouTube, we got Yanni. Oh no, not Yanni. Amir. We got Yazamir saying, "Hello, dear Anuj from Forex family. Do you have any open position?" Not yet. Yazamir, not yet. So we are still waiting. We have done our analysis. Waiting for a scalping buy opportunity on gold. If that's happening, if sales are coming in, sales below 1754.60 do look apparent, and well, we are waiting for pound yen sell as well. Waiting for pound yen sell. And we are still waiting. Yazamir says, that's great. Oh, thank you, Yazamir. Thank you, buddy. And we are starting to push down here. Beautiful. All right, so the first 15 minute out of the hourly candle actually closed bullish at somewhere in this range. So the price is still in this range. If a 15 or a 30-minute candle has to close below this area, sorry about that, sales do look very nice. So at this point in time, kind of waiting for a 15 or a 30-minute candle to close. did. And the pound yen has fell down like 100 and something pips today. 100 and from around here, let's say from here, right? So this is where the price opened from. The candles opened from, so from around there, it moved down like 108 pips, 107 pips already. So that's the beauty about trading on the second half of the month. The candles are pretty huge. A lot of volume, a lot of volume, and the candles move in a very decisive way. There's no confusion, to be honest. Look at the way how the Asian volume actually presented itself, right? Amazing. All right. We are slowly but surely pushing down in pound yen. In the next 34 minutes, we have this market open, New York market open. So we will see how the market's going to actually affect pound yen here. So on YouTube, Enzo says, "Hi Anuj, when you use the measure tool in TradingView, where can you see the amount of pip in the pip movement?" So in pound yen sort of an instrument, if you press your shift key on your keyboard and you click and drag, the number 28 here is the total number of pip. So at the right side, this is the total number of pip. 28.6. Yeah, and we are going to push down here. We are going to push down. So here's the thing. I mean, the candles are pushing down 32 minutes away from the market open, which is good because my bias is a sell. So if I have to take a sell right here, I need to see candle closing bearish with a wick on the downside. And that way I can place a sell stop within about... Ooh, the stop loss is huge. 20 pips because the candles are pretty huge. Because the candles are huge. A lot of volume. Second half of the month. The candles already moved like 10 pips already. So I actually didn't take a trade right in the middle of the range. But yeah, I think I have to wait. If the candles are moving with such a great volume, I can actually be easily liquidated, right? So I would love to wait for the candle close. I would love to wait for the next candle to sort of show me liquidity signs, formation of the wicks, and then I'll take an entry. Until then, wait in. All right, so the 15-minute candle actually closed bearish with the wick on the downside, showing signs of continuation at this point in time. So I'm actually thinking about a sell somewhere around here. All right, so this is the hourly candle close too, so that's actually alarming me. Otherwise, it's actually looking nice. I'm actually in a sell right here. I'm actually in a sell within about 10 pips stop loss. Right here. In a sell. In a sell. Sell. So we are still in the trade, in the trade. I think it should be good. To be honest, I think it should be good. Yep, moving down. So for risk management, what I'm going to do is, because my stop loss is very tight, my stop loss is actually very close to the current 15-minute candle's high, right? So if the candles are to retrace very aggressively, I have to think about how I can actually close the position, some of the position at least. And on YouTube, our Enzo is saying, if you look at the daily on GJ, do you think it will break 149 level support? All right, so let's have a look at that. Yeah, I think 149, 365 is going to get hit. So breaking support is another question, but I think New York volume is just going to push it down. That's what I think. I think the New York volume is actually going to drive it down at this point in time in about 4 pips in profit. So let's see. Let's see. Yep, we are pushing down. Still in the position right here. So all I'm thinking right now is how can I let this trade be positive or at least break even? Because I don't want to let this winner turn into a loser. That's one of the main rule I have in my head, or that's one of the main mantras I use every single day in my trading, right? So I've taken a trade and I'm willing to practice risk management. So if the candles are to push down, this is looking amazing, actually looking amazing. So if the candles are to push down, amazing. But if I have to control the damage I can take, I have to be ready to close down some of the position if it retraces heavily. Right? Obviously, 5-minute candle close below the support, even looking better and better every single minute. But hey, sometimes a trade can move against you anytime, right? So if it's going to reject abruptly, it's a better idea to close the position. But I am still in it. I'm still letting it breathe, and it's looking good. I just need 10 to 12 pips out of the market. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to practice securing partial and letting half run, just because of the fact that there is so much volume here induced in the market. And if the market is going to pay me more, that is amazing. Otherwise, it's just going to be another risk management day. The idea was execution's been done already, and just have to wait a little bit more to see what the result's going to be. Yeah, I think we're going to leak down here. We are going to leak down. Ooh, gold is pushing up too. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give my trade 5 more minutes. If it's going to move in the next 5 minutes, amazing. If it's going to retrace, I have to close the position, because timing my trade has been one of the best things I've been doing in these recent days. I've been timing my trades. If it doesn't work, I close the position, right? It is what it is. Because at the end of the day, I can be taking an early entry. And if it is an early entry, I should be okay with whatever loss I'm bearing, or whatever the market, whatever the worst market is doing right now, right? So I have to be okay with it and accept this small bit of pain. But it's fine. It's just as fine. Right now, 5-minute candles looking okay. So I'm giving it extra 4 more minutes. 4 minutes and I'll be out of the trade. Simple. Ooh, 5-minute candle looking good. Let's see. Beautiful. In about almost 6 pips in profit. Let's see. Ooh, beautiful. It's falling. Pound yen is falling. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's see. Yep, 8 pips. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh, 10 pips right here. Oh, secure half right here. And I secure half right here and placed my rest of the half at break even at this point in time. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow, man. Amazing. Ooh, look at this. Pushing down. 15 pips and secure. I actually secured everything here. I close whole position. I closed the whole position. Man, that was a beautiful trade. So how long did the trade last? So the trade was exactly 12 minutes. Man, oh man. 12 pips. Sorry. So secured 15. Actually secured 15 pips. Secured 15 pips in 12 minutes. Beautiful, amazing trade called at live. Man, this was amazing. I think it's going to run down even harder. So I actually closed the whole position, obviously. But should be okay about whatever the market gives, right? So made $500 in 10 minutes. What more do I need? So making $500 in 10 minutes. And this number of 500 is going to be 5,000 in the coming years as the account size grows. This number is not only going to be 5,000, it's going to be 50,000 as the year goes on and the account size grows on. And these are the trades we take in the market. We patiently wait for, and this was amazing. I'm out of the trade and looks like pound yen's gonna dump down, but hey, I'm okay about whatever the market gives me. You know, at the end of the day, we have to be okay about whatever the market gives us. So if you guys actually took the trade, man, like and subscribe. Obviously, your like and your comments on the videos appreciated, and that means a lot to us because this is for you guys. You know, obviously, education and the trade we call at live here is just for you guys. So enjoy it and show us your appreciation. Spread the words, and that's it. You know, that's amazing. So whoever took the trade, man, making this much amount of money in 10 minutes obviously is amazing. Obviously, we are not chasing the money, the factor of money behind trading, but the knowledge and the excellence behind this trade is amazing. We waited for the candle close. As the candle progressed, we took a trade, and it was a zero drawdown trade. It was a zero drawdown trade. The candle was just pushed down, pushed like 20 pips from my entry. I managed to secure like 14 pips, which is amazing. Amazing. If you guys took the trade, just like the stream, man. Just like the stream. Just like and share, you know, obviously, and that would be amazing. All right, so Yazamir says, very well done. Enzo Corteza says, looking good. Oh, thank you, Enzo. Oh, that was from before. And Yazamir says, synced music with the situation. Okay. And Enzo says, beautiful early trade. That's actually true. And B Atish says 10 pips and closed. 12 minutes. Thanks. Oh, no worries. If you guys are clever enough, you can follow. You know, that's just simple as it can be. And if you guys want to follow us along on our journaling, on our process sharing sort of a I would say community, you can follow us on our Instagram as well. So the Instagram page, so my Instagram is Peeling Mindset, right here. There you go. So there you go. So you guys can follow me on the Instagram, Peeling Mindset. We have our breakdowns, we have our information right here. And amazing, just go and follow. You know, there's going to be more contents coming in, and if you guys follow along, if you want to be a part of the community, we are always going to be there. And I hope my guys in the Discord, they caught it too. I hope my boys caught it too.
Yes, Anuj, of course.
Good, Sabine, good. Good.
It's full account, but that's good. Just learning, no?
Beautiful.
Good. Beautiful. And
Good
your
work, Sabine.
course is helpful.
Yep, go on, Sabine, go on. I didn't hear you, Sabine.
Yeah, your course is helping a lot.
Oh
I
yeah,
can
that's
relate.
good. That's good. Beautiful. Did you finish all the course or halfway through?
Yeah. How?
Okay.
I still
that's
maybe
good.
yeah.
Yep. If you're gonna finish the whole folder, it's gonna help you a lot.
Yeah, really good. I like it.
Beautiful.
And the videos are interesting and it's like it's not boring. That's good.
Oh, beautiful. That's amazing. Did you enjoy the videos?
Yeah, of course.
That's good. That's beautiful. Our Enzo is saying amazing trade, congratulations, and didn't take but still liked it. Beautiful trade. Oh, thank you very much. If you guys want to tag me on the Instagram, you can tag me right here. It's the Peeling Mindset. Just tag me on Instagram and that'll be amazing. All right, so we're gonna start the celebration here. I can't hear Mandish and BJ yet. Looks like boys are muted. Boys are shy. Boys are
Hello,
really,
hello.
really shy. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, we actually took a sell.
Yeah, I did enter as well.
Perfect.
Managed to take it 10 pips.
Looks like Sabine has an echo over there. Sabine, you gotta fix it.
What can I fix? I don't know.
Or maybe it's the speaker and the mic. I think it's
Yeah,
all.
maybe.
Yeah, I think it's all together. You gotta use a headphone. Do you have a headphone or something?
Yeah, I have headphone, but it's not okay. I think like no more chance.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we're
Yeah,
gonna.
I think
Yep, go on, Mandish. Go on.
gold sales gonna play out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, for gold sales, I think 1754.60 is the idea. If candle starts closing below 1754.60, man, we're gonna push down. But there's a high chance it's actually grabbing its liquidity or premium price before pushing up. That could be the case because this is the last final 11 minutes before the market open, right? And if the candle's gonna wick down all the way down and then start pushing up, I'll be looking for a buy at that point in time, but sells also do make sense, to be honest. 30-minute candle actually has a beautiful wick, Mandish.
I just recently discovered a new trading idea for gold.
Uh-huh.
I'm just testing if it is true or not. Let me send you this chart here.
Sure. Ooh, Nikesh, send the chart. Also looking at gold institutional candle. Ooh, what is the institutional candle?
It is kind of resistance, we can say.
Uh-huh.
This idea is pretty complex.
Financial break Asian high. Prices rejecting at this level. Okay, I can see. You're talking about liquidity grab and premium price grab. Okay. Market might be heading bearish to stop buys, orders, and activity. Flush it out. Well, you cannot exactly say this, the third point, because people are gonna say, hey man, do you exactly see orders being flushed out? We understand the idea, but I understand what you're saying, but people are not gonna understand this. I understand. I exactly understand what you're saying. And we've talked about it as well before, but yeah.
I hope it works. Yeah, I just need just giving a trial and error for like 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 trades.
All right, so the guys on the YouTube, if you guys are here for the first time, you guys are going to see how we celebrate and have a little bit of fun. So if you guys actually manage to take that trade, this celebration is for you guys. And we're going to start this celebration for the YouTube in the next count of 3 and 3, 2 and 1. There you go. That's the celebration for you guys right there. Bang.
Did you secure everything on us?
I did. I did secure everything. I was thinking about letting it run, but I thought, hey, you know what? I'm very close to New York market open, and the candles can reverse back before pushing down. So I don't want to do that. No.
I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm up like 20% today.
Oh, wow. 20%.
Yes, sir. Just GJ, I did not secure the whole position.
So
if
if you had $100,000 account, wow, $100,000 account, and you did 20% of your $100,000 account, that'll be $20,000 in a day. Man.
I don't have $100,000 account.
No.
I wish I had.
Soon. soon.
Oh. Gold.
Ooh, look at pound yen. Yeah, I think 149.365 is gonna get hit today. That's what I think.
All right, guys. Bye.
Are you going out? All right, I'll see you. I'll see you later. Then take care.
All right. Bye, bye, guys. Good night.
Good night, team.
And have a good sales again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. I'm actually thinking about another sell.
Okay, bye. Please.
Oh, Sabine's saying bye. Looks like he's gone. He's
Already in my eco problem.
Yep, Sabine, you gotta fix. Ooh, I'm repeating. I'm repeating. Amazing. So I'm actually gonna journal this for the guys in guys in the Instagram and also our YouTube guys. So this is how you journal, right? So this was the actual trade. I mean, it's pushing down. I think it's gonna push all the way down to 149,365. That's what I think. Wow. All right, so in the next 10 seconds, we have the market open and looks like it's actually going to push down all the way down to 149,365 here. And I'm looking for gold buys. See. Wow. So from my entry point, it moved like in about 30 pips, and more than likely it's going to hit this 149,365 level. More than likely. All right, so gold anticipation for the buy has been working out. Looks like the target 1761.95 is going to get hit. I've already taken a trade, secured 16 pips out of it, but an entry around here was the best entry. 1758 was a really beautiful entry right here. After this candle did a retest on the downside on the previously broken 5-minute resistance, an entry around here did work out in about 20 pips move. Whoever took that entry, man, beautiful. UT, so I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because I have secured everything out of the market for today and should be very I would say shouldn't take it for granted. All these profits, all these positions we take, cannot take it for granted. We cannot blow the account or blow the profits back to the market. We got to keep it to ourselves. We got to secure the bag, and we have to be okay about it. Yazamir says, have good time, see you tomorrow. Yazamir says, I'm going to come back again to see if you take the trade that you've said before on gold. Oh no, man, I couldn't take the trade. A buy was here. If anybody was looking for a buy around here was the best. If anybody would have taken a buy there, man, it would have worked out. Obviously, I didn't take it, but it's okay. It is what it is. You cannot catch all the trades, but your bias being correct in the market is really important. You wanna build a correct bias. That's what you want to do, right? So Yazamir says, have a good day, mate. See you tomorrow. See you later, mate. See you later. This was beautiful. UT. UTTTTT. I'm going to be here. If you guys have any questions in YouTube, I'll be answering your questions. But you need to ask your questions, right? Because I can't read your mind. If you ask a question, I answer your question.
Thank you, and see you. See you tomorrow.
Have a beautiful, beautiful night. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you, you too.
Sure, you finish the course.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I finished almost 60%.
Good,
Yeah,
good. Sabine, if
I'll
you have
go.
good,
I'll go.
yeah,
I'll go through that one more time, and then yeah.
sure. Just note down questions and ask me the questions. Ask me the question.
Yeah.
It's going to help you a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
No worries, Sabine. Take care. I'll see you.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Udah sih praktikalnya ini udah sih. Ini sebetulnya sesuatu yang biasa. one today. They don't see things the same. Two one by two out the door. There you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two one by two out the door. There you have magic.
All right, so on YouTube, Raj RK says missed. Ooh, Raj, you got to show up to the market early, my brother. If you show up early, man, that's when you see what's happening, right? That was amazing. Amazing sales call out. So at this point in time, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to call it a day. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for hopping in and having a good time. And I'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care. Have a beautiful, beautiful night, morning, whatever that is. Just have a beautiful time. I will see guys.